For manufacturers operating in make-to-order and mixed-mode environments, operational agility is a crucial business requirement. With increasing global competition, supply chain disruption, market volatility, and rising costs for materials, labor, and energy, there's little room for error. To succeed in this complex environment, manufacturers must constantly optimize operations and manage costs. Aptean Industrial Manufacturing ERP Made2Manage Edition is an end-to-end solution that offers essential features like real-time scheduling, job costing, and shop floor execution tools to help you streamline your operations, reduce costs, and improve your supply chain visibility. Built for environments where flexibility and efficiency are essential, Aptean Industrial Manufacturing ERP offers sophisticated planning and scheduling tools that enable you to easily view production capacity, anticipate issues with materials, resolve problems on the fly, and quickly react to changes in supply and labor availability with real-time visibility into resources. Accessible on the shop floor, across job sites, or on the go, this SaaS solution puts everything you need right at your fingertips. With a few simple clicks, operators can access prioritized job schedules, clock on, access documentation and step-by-step instructions, clock off, and enter quantity and scrap. On the production floor, supervisors can instantly view work center loads to keep track of materials availability so you can prioritize schedules accordingly and release jobs to production. Optimize efficiency and improve on-time delivery with the ability to manage multiple suppliers per item, increasing procurement flexibility, and get insight into job costs and profits in real time by comparing actual material and labor costs against estimates at any point in the production process. With the right technology, you can make smart decisions. Future-proof your performance with Aptean Industrial Manufacturing ERP Made2Manage Edition.